What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here of 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel on YouTube where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community. And on today's quick episode, we're just covering royalty rebuilds. I just want to bring it up because I just noticed that their views are down quite a fucking lot. So I just want to discuss with you guys what you think is going to happen with the channel. If you're new to this channel, guys, please do check out the other videos. I do respond to all your comments below, so do smash the subscribe button, like button, get involved, comment below. And we're just here to discuss and just give your thoughts and opinions as well. I do read it, guys. And obviously the bigger we get, the faster we get getting a project car, so that would massively help us as well by just helping the channel grow and become a community as well. And also thanks to everybody else that's been commenting on the videos. You know who you are, and liking the videos as well. It's really made a lot to me. I know I have to start building back up the views again. So we're just going to jump into today's video because it is about views and I cannot talk much about my views compared to these guys, but that's what we're here to talk about, royalty rebuilds. So as if a lot of people know, this used to be Alex Rebuilds channel. Royalty Rebuilds basically took it over and have been posting on the channel. And yeah, I just basically noticed just the views here and I just wanted to bring it up and see what you think, guys. I mean, ever since Alex, from what I heard, I don't know if it's true, but I'm pretty sure what's been told, he actually did sell it to Houston. He bought the channel off him. And ever since he sold it to him, basically the highest views they've really kind of gotten is with the Bugatti Veyron. I mean, I'm looking here and I think 86,000 is the highest they've had it. And they've had it now for the last, going on 6 months now. 6 months they've had this channel and the views have, I think they've lost only what, 60,000-70,000 subscribers, and they're not really getting views. And one of the other things they're not doing either is they're barely posting on the channel. I mean, look, I know Houston probably doesn't give a fuck about the channel. I'm not berating them or nothing like that, but when you're putting up a video every one video every 11 days, 3 videos in the space of 3 weeks, I mean, you're not going to get people watching. You're really not. Now, as I said, I know I can't talk much. I disappeared for a month and a half, but I'm only a small shitty channel, guys. This is 382,000 subscribers. I'm presuming a lot of people are still subscribed to this channel, just haven't been bothered with it and just haven't unsubscribed because people just aren't watching the videos. I think one thing they really need to do is, because it's such a great channel to get it going, it's great having supercars and hypercars on there, but I really feel like he could get his staff like Mario and the rest of them, maybe they can start doing their own builds on their own cars and start posting it on the channel. That might start boosting it back up. I mean, posting one video or 3 videos in 3 weeks really isn't, people are going to look at the channel and go, this channel is fucked, it's dead, I'm not going to fucking bother with it. And it looks like people have, because they have one of their second videos, the world's first twin turbo Lexus LFA, 16,000 views. That should be getting way more views, having that kind of stuff. So I mean, I see what they're trying to do, but they're not going about it in the right way, in my opinion. And I don't know, what do you think is going to happen to this channel? Do you think it's just going to fade out and they're just going to be done with it, or are they going to ramp up in it and try and get back posting? I know that Houston said he was going to be bringing out a series on his water-wrecked Veyron that he rebuilt. I don't know if it's going to be on the main royalty channel or this one. And I think, guys, the way it's going at the moment, I mean, if they keep going the way they're going, so far for me, this channel looks like it's dead, and they really need to redo it or come up with some ideas, because I just think it's fucked. I mean, it's not bad, not saying that it's bad them, they just don't look like they could be fucked with the channel or bothered with it. So I decided to bring it to your attention. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you watch the channel? What you think they should do with the channel? Any ideas? Love to hear your thoughts, opinions below as well. So I just said I'd make that quick video for you guys, let you see what you think. And I'll probably have a video out tomorrow. We'll see what I cover. Until then, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.